Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about a new update that Plant IX gave us, and it is facility upgrades. So recently, they've just introduced us to upgrading facilities. So our facilities that we stick on our mission control, it has different levels. So level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, up to level 5. I'm not sure if they're going to be adding additional levels in the future, but I believe right now there are 5 levels of facilities. So as of right now, when we first create our facility and we first acquire them, our facilities are at level 1. And right now, Plant IX made an update and has given us the opportunity to upgrade our facility to level 2 to level 3. Right now, in this first update, we can only upgrade our facility to level 2 or to level 3. More levels will be available in the future. So we're going to be able to upgrade it to level 4, level 5, or maybe more in the future. But as of right now, we can only upgrade our facility to level 2 and to level 3. And what this upgrade does is that it allows our facility to generate energy much more efficiently and much more faster than before. The higher the level of your facility, the faster your facility creates energy in 24 hours in a day. Yeah. So to upgrade your facility, you have some requirements that you're gonna need, and you're gonna be able to do that in the new lands. So the requirements are your facility that you have, 1,000 Astro credits, 100 energy, 2 meta mods, and 2 blueprints. If you guys are unsure on how to acquire any of these requirements, I have videos for you guys in my channel, and I can link it down below so it's easier for you guys to find. So when you upgrade your facility with these requirements, there's probabilities of being able to upgrade it to level 2 or level 3. So let's take a look at this here. The more energy that you are willing to put in, the higher the probability of it upgrading to level 3. So with 100 energy, which is the minimum requirement, so over here is the minimum requirements, right, along with the others requirements. So minimum energy requirements that it needs to upgrade your facility is 100. So if you only wanna put in 100 to upgrade your facility, it has a 3.7 chance of being upgraded into level 3. So it's not a lot of percent, but if you are willing to put in more energy, like 1,500, which is the limit, the max you can put in, you have a 25% chance of it being upgraded to level 3. So that's how the probability works. So the more energy that you are willing to put in to upgrade your facility, the higher the probability of it being upgraded to level 3. Okay. So upgrading a facility takes 7 days, followed by a 7-day cooldown period, and you can speed up the construction and cooldown by burning IXT at, I believe, 40 cents per hour, that says, and I believe that's in USD. Also, you want to keep in mind that during this first release of the upgrades for the facilities, you can only upgrade each facility once, and only one facility can be upgraded over and over, simultaneously, over and over again. I mean, all upgrade facilities will remain on the same tier. So if you upgrade an outlier, it's not gonna be common or rare. It's gonna stay outlier. So if you have an outlier facility, Right now, it's probably in level 1, and if you upgrade it, it's gonna become outlier level 2 or 3. It's gonna be the same tier of facility, but it's gonna level up. So it's not gonna turn into a different type of facility. It's gonna stay on the same tier, but it's gonna level up. And over here, it says that level 30 in mission control required for upgrade. Okay, I'm not sure what that exactly means, but over here, this is the overall main points of the news update on upgrading facility. Okay, that's it. If you guys want to read this on your own time, so you guys can understand it a little bit better and get things more clear, I will put this on the link down for you guys. That's it. Bye-bye. Thank you.